The HiCAD solution for materials handling, convenient view functions. The HiCAD solution for materials handling with its powerful view functions helps you keep the overview even in large and complex drawings so that you can always work efficiently. Use the clip plane, for example, to place a dynamic cut in your drawing. Here, you can see that it is a very large and detailed drawing. By the way, model drawings can be moved conveniently and very smoothly with the Space Mouse. To be able to work efficiently in such drawings, HiCAD offers you different functions. For example, create one or more list views in the model drawing. Select only those parts or assemblies which are required for your drawing. These parts can then be conveniently placed in an extra view and further designed from there. A magnifying function helps to avoid zooming the whole window. No interfering parts and no drops in performance will prevent you from creating a missing cover directly in the model drawing. The powerful sheet metal module, in combination with the assembly-oriented working method, allows you to model quickly and intuitively. When no longer needed, the list views can be simply deleted after the work is done. The main view is then available as usual.